is a beautiful country with more than 45 million people and the fourth largest economy in Latin America. Despite its relative prosperity, not all Colombians share in its wealth due to inequality and unequal distribution of wealth. Official figures from the United Nations Poverty Index indicate that about 46% of Colombians lived below the poverty line in 2009, and 17% lived in extreme poverty. In recent years, Colombia has made significant advances in improving health and education services to poor people, but disparities continue to exist, especially in rural areas. CAPD, or the Canadian Association for Participatory Development, was created to provide people disadvantaged by poverty or disability with the training and assistance needed to improve their quality of life. CAPD was founded as a result of a personal experience of two Canadians living and working in Bucaramanga, Colombia in 1998. CAPD's vision to facilitate the integration of disadvantaged people by removing barriers to health, education, and capacity building is implemented through 3 programs: integration, education assistance, and safe water. The integration program is implemented through registered, nonprofit, community-based disability organizations with which we have had a long-standing relationship. They provide programs of rehabilitation, education, and recreation in Bucaramanga, Piedecuesta, and Los Santos, Santander. They also have small businesses that offer employment to their members and their families. These businesses include construction of adapted equipment and wheelchairs, a bakery, candle making, and soap making. CAPD volunteers support capacity building efforts through training workshops and consultation. The Education Assistance Program helps children from low-income families to stay in school by providing lunches and uniforms, shoes, and school supplies. The lunch program is present in rural schools in Santander, and the uniform program is present in urban areas of Santander and Risaralda. In 2011, the program helped 280 children access nutritious school lunches, and 98 children received uniforms, shoes, and a knapsack filled with school supplies. This program was extended to Pereira in 2012. Our Safe Water for Families program provides biosand filter training workshops to groups helping rural communities, often in collaboration with Canadian and Colombian Rotary clubs. Families living with untreated water in rural and peri-urban areas benefit from the safe water which each family can have in their own homes. Projects are currently underway in various regions of Colombia, such as La Guajira, Santander, and Monteria. CAPD promotes collective actions that enhance the development of knowledge, leadership, and volunteerism, and that lead to enhanced quality of life and dignity. Our strategy is to build long-term relationships of trust with our community partners by accompanying them as they learn and develop their skills. We believe it is important for people to be the principal actors in their own development and of that of their communities, and that it is our job to affirm their abilities, to promote local leadership, and to facilitate opportunities for their self-actualization. CAPD is based in Calgary. We are volunteer-driven, do not employ staff, and have a low overhead. CAPD is a registered charitable organization with the Canadian Revenue Agency and the Alberta government. With your help and that of our partners, the Alberta government, Rotary clubs, and foundations, CAPD has provided funding for the purchase and construction of community centers for people with disabilities and their families, for a van, and for a bus. We are able to help low-income children stay in school, and we are improving the health of families by providing them with safe water. Climb on board and ride our bus to Colombia. Make a donation online or by check. The details are on our webpage, capdcalgary.org.